I stare at the stars and the sky up above and think, what am I made of? Am I full of sorrow? Am I hurt and pain? Or am I filled with love? I walk by myself on the streets below and ask every child I know, do you think tomorrow will bring sun or rain? Which one of these will show? I can't say goodbye to yesterday, my friend. I keep holding on till the end. Out of the darkness, there is no other way than the light leading to yesterday. Okay. It's there that I'll find inner peace, not warm, and dreams that I let slip away. I'll find the joyfulness I'm looking for way back in yesterday. I'm Bob Dylan. I sing, but I don't really sing. I'm Bob Dylan. And if you don't know my work, you can shove up yours. You go for chill. Bob Dylan. Yeah, I play the folk song. I sing. Oh, I sing in my own special way. Oh, take it away. Ooh, I was lying. Listen to my voice. Oh, it hurts my jaw. It's all this way. It's not this way. Why can't each of us in the world ever see the best things in life are free? Little sounds of laughter, a one hug, a smile, a kiss from you to me. I fall to my knees, I cry and I cry. Love, do not pass me by. Happy ever after. Ooh, please stay for a while. Make time refuse to fly. I can't say goodbye to yesterday, my friend, 'cause I know I can't be back.
There's more lyrics. This is the last verse.
It's there that I'll find inner peace, not warm, and dreams that I let slip away. I'll find the joyfulness I'm looking for. Oh, way back in yesterday. Metal Gear. Oh, Metal Gear 2. Sounds a very tactical espionage action. Oh, Metal Gear. Oh, Metal Gear. Oh, in my stomach. Oh, in my stomach. Oh, in my stomach. In my stomach. In my stomach. Oh my God! What? Bob Dylan, where'd you come from? Hey, this is Kevin the Recording Studio, guys. Well, welcome back, buddy. Hey, come on down. We're on a brewski. Oh, I don't do a brew. I do a read. Oh, okay. We can do that. That's cool. Yeah, let's go do that, dude. Come on. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Hey, dude, you remember that Giva Zoomer guy? Hey, man. His channel got removed. What the heck? Oh, is this the part where we actually connected to the album? Yeah, I guess so. Okay. It's kind of fucked up, don't you think? Oh yeah, I really think that. Oh, yeah, fuck the government. Oh yeah, hey, talking about. For all your dreams, I was almost trying to sing that. That was a scary moment for me. Ooh, Bob Dylan. Ooh, Bob Dylan. Ooh, Bob Dylan. Ooh, Bob Dylan. All right, that's a wrap. Okay, here we go. All right, and cut.